In this video we're going to show you how to fit the centre stands on the Herald Classic 250's. So in this video we'll show you what tools you need to do the job, what the kit consists of and how to fit it. So our kit consists of a centre stand with the bungs fitted, the centre stand pin, the spring, a washer and the split link. The tools you'll need is a ratchet, an extension bar, a 6mm hex socket or Allen key, a 13mm socket, a 14mm spanner, a rubber mallet out your precision equipment drawer, and some long nose pliers. I'd recommend putting the front wheel against a wall or something solid so you don't push the bike off the stand. Slacken the two header bolts with a 6mm hex socket. Then slacken the exhaust mounting bolt with a 14mm spanner and 13mm socket. Then completely remove the header bolts. While supporting the exhaust system, remove the exhaust bolt completely. Then take off the exhaust system. Now remove the small split link from the brake pedal using some long nose pliers. Then remove the washer and the small cleaver's pin. Using a 13mm socket, undo the brake pedal. That's rusty. Now remove the pedal and watch for that little spring. So this next bit is a mammoth task. It's not easy and only attempt it if you've had your Weetabix. And you'll definitely need an assistant. Here's one I made earlier. So let's get cracking. Apply plenty of lithium grease on the centre stand pin. Fit the spring on the tab at the back of the frame rail. Then fit the other end of the spring onto the tab on the centre stand. We're going to have to do that. Right, let's start sweating now. So, firstly I want to pull on it, don't I? Pull against the spring while your assistant lines up the holes to fit the stand pin in place.
Hang on, it needs to go up this end, go back forward, backwards. Just down the touch and forward.
Then use your precision tool to gently persuade the pin in place.
Go.
Oh yeah, easy. Then on the other side, fit the washer. Then fit the split link. If you're not a fan of holes in your fingers, I'd recommend using long nose pliers to bend the tabs over. Now you can do the rest of the work on the centre stand. While you've got the pedal off, you might as well do a bit of maintenance. So you can take the bush out, clean it and apply a fresh coat of lithium grease. Now you can put the pedal back on. Start by fitting it onto the spring and then line it up into the position to put the bolt on. Now fit the bolt and tighten it up using a 13mm socket. Next, fit the cleaver pin and the washer on the brake pedal. Then fit the split link. Now fit the exhaust system in place. I also recommend fitting a new exhaust gasket. Then loosely fit the bolt holding the exhaust to the frame. Apply some copper grease to the header bolts. Then tighten the header bolts using a 6mm hex socket or Allen key. It's best to tighten each one bit by bit to evenly fit the exhaust to the engine. Then, using a 13mm socket and a 14mm spanner, tighten the exhaust bolt. So that's how you fit the centre stand on the 250 models. It's very similar on the 125 models, so you can go off the exact same video. It's not all that difficult to do, but if you've never done it before, bear in mind you'll be swearing, cursing, and you'll be sweating a lot. So to buy them, link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon.